Have you ever had troubles understanding index or XLOOKUP? Today I'm going to explain to you how to use both. Uh, okay, the first thing you need to do is use index. You select the outcome. It's a little bit weird, but it's how it works. After that, you call the function match. And we want the first parameter that accomplish this goal, the two parameters that we are going to give. So the region must be north, and the product have to be apples. And the coincidence needs to be exact. And after that, you add another parenthesis to close the index function. And voila, there you have it. VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is a little XLOOKUP, sorry. It's a little straightforward. Let's look up. So XLOOKUP, you select the value that you are looking for. So in this case is 1, the first one. You select the array with the conditions. So in this case are two arrays. The first one is region. That should be north. And for the second one, again, should be apples. And after that, you select the outcome. That in this case are the sales in that specific, for that specific product in that specific region. And close the parentheses. And voila, there you have it. It's pretty easy and it's pretty straightforward. For me, I really like to use this one, the XLOOKUP function instead of this, but sometimes this can be useful.